This is a video editing tutorial for beginners plus a review for iMyFone Filme Video Editor. Not only this, I will tell you how you can make Easter slideshow using Easter templates from Filme and submit your video to win iPad Air and more big prizes. So this is your chance to create a video and win big prizes from Filme. Hey folks, Akhil here from WM Originals back with another video, and today I will be sharing a video editing tutorial for beginners. And for this we will be using iMyFone Filme Video Editor, which is fast and comes with pro video editing tools. With this you can do basic video editing with ease, such as import, crop, split, rotate, edit, adjust speed and pan and zoom. From adding cool effects, transitions, text options, add audio, picture in picture and screen recording, it has all you need to get started with. And not only this, it has advanced features such as instantly preview, multi-layering, play as much as 8 audio tracks at once, and adjust the video style. So with Filme Video Editor, unleash the power of your mind and share it with world by simple one-click uploads on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter and Instagram. Not only this, with Filme Video Editor, create a slideshow fast with fast video mode. With its one-click editing and templates, you can create quality slideshow for your need. Not only this, you can make an Easter slideshow using Easter templates from Filme and win big prizes. So let's talk about that first. Make Easter slideshow video to win iPad Air. How to join this? Download and install Filme. Share a video on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter or Vimeo with the hashtag Happy Easter with Filme in the title. Click submit now from below and enter the URL of your video, which can be from YouTube, Facebook, Twitter or Vimeo. And here are the rules to follow, and with this you could win big prizes. Here are the templates you can use, so unleash your creativity and win big prizes for yourself. Not only this, with this Easter celebrations, you can get Filme Video Editor at $14.95, which is at 85% discount. So what are you waiting for? Check the link in description and pinned comment to download now, just as me. Click on Make Slideshow now and download starts. Once download completes, click on it to start the installation process and follow it to install. Once installation completes, click to open Video Editor. Here it is, iMyFone Filme Video Editor. It comes with simple and clean UI and has everything at your glance to get started with video editing. From here we can not just import media or folder from computer, but can also import it from smartphones with this plugin and wireless options. Let's import a video to get started with. Now just drag it to timeline. Thereafter we can simply right click on it and select split, or just click on this icon to split video in parts, and thereafter if required we can delete it by simply clicking on delete. From this control panel here we can also crop, change speed, edit, record audio, and not only this, we can also record screen as well. And let's see what more it has to offer. From here we can add some elements to video such as filters, stickers, effects and text animation. We have so many of them, just simply drag or click on plus icon to add them to video. Let's add this text to video. We can also resize and move around to wherever we want it on video. There are many more elements which can be added to video, such as emoji, icons, overlays. Let's add this emoji to video. We can also adjust the duration for this and can also resize it. We can also rotate it from this editor's panel. There are many more effects and elements available. You can add as many as you want to and then can also adjust it to match video duration. Let's add some transitions to video, and for that click on this. Here are some transition effects from basic effects to slideshow, speed, blur and wrap. It has all. Add them as per your requirements to video. And to add it to video, just drag it between two clips. We can also add text to video such as titles, bottom subtitles, lower thirds as well. Adding a text to my video, And now we can adjust and resize to adjust duration of text on video. Double click on it to open editors panel, and now from here we can change text, size and font style. Changing text to "This is our story." We can move it around to wherever we want to on screen. We can also change color from here, and not only this, we can also change opacity of text and many more things from this editors panel. Now let's add some music to video. Simply drag to add a music to video. There are so many options available to choose from, and not only this, you can also add your own music if you want to. Just drag and match it to video duration. We can also adjust audio volume up to 200. Let's change it to 150. And not only this, we have some sound effects that can be added to video. So add more audio and effects to enhance your video to make it more creative. Now once you are done with video editing, click on export to export your video. Now from here we can choose your video format. If you want it for a specific device, you can also choose that. Or if you want it for YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook or Twitter, you can choose, and with one click upload it to all these social media directly from here. For now let's export it to local drive, and for that click on local. And now from here choose video format, give it a name, change output directory, let's change it to desktop. Change video resolution from here, and now from here we can not just change video resolution but can also change frame rate and audio settings as well. We can also select the video quality to be good, standard or best. After we are done with this, click on export to export video. Export starts, and once done, we can open file location or click on OK. Thereafter, let's move to desktop and have a quick preview of our video. See, this is how simple and easy to make high quality videos with Filme Video Editor. If you want to give it a try, check the link in description and pin comment. Now that you are watching till now, I have a special tip for you. Filme Video Editor also comes with fast mode to create videos within a few seconds using built-in templates. Let's move back to Filme, and here it has fast video option. Just click on it and select a video template of your choice. It has various categories to choose from. Just choose one, preview it. Thereafter, add your media, which can be added from your computer or smartphone directly, and that too wireless. Just import and create. So simple and easy to make video using Filme fast mode. I hope you liked this special tip. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, and you can also create your Easter slideshow video to win iPad Air. Check the link in description and pin comment to get started with. This is what I had in this video. Do like and share this video. Also share your feedback in comment. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to WM Originals. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day. See you all in the next video.